Welcome to AER Int channel, and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're going to show some advanced options in Trim Surface. So let's go to our Trim Surface tool, here. And now let's go to Standard Type. And for a Trim tool, let's choose this surface. And now let's go with our mouse to the surface, and let's choose this upper bar. Now as we see, we have a trim surface here, this one. And this trim surface doesn't go to the end of the surface on this side, and it also doesn't go to the end of the surface on this side. And that doesn't matter. When we see in the preview that our trim surface ends here, but when we see the continuation, tangent continuation of the trim surface until the end on this side, and on this side, right? And now let's click OK. And we got this result. So even though our trim surface doesn't go to the end, we still have our tangent cut here on this side and this side. Let's go back again. Edit feature. And now let's look down here, surface split options. And we see that we have a check on natural, and this is by default. Here we can also choose linear. Let's choose this one. And now let's go with our mouse here. And now we see the changes. Now we can see the difference. And now we don't have continuation of the trim surface here. We have here horizontal cut. Also we have horizontal cut here. So this is the difference by only changing from natural to linear. Now let's click OK. And now we got a different result, like this one, as we see, like this. Now let's go back. Here we also have split all. Let's check this. Now let's go with our mouse here. And now we see that we don't only have two surfaces that we can choose to cut. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have 4 surfaces. And that's why this is called split all. Now for example, we can choose this one and this one. For example, to keep. And then click OK. And now we only got this piece and this piece. Let's go back. Let's clear our selections. Or we can only choose this one. And we can click OK. And now we got this. Now let's go back. Now instead of linear, let's choose neutral plus split all. Now if we go with mouse here, and we can see that we have more surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of 4, now we have 6. And then we can choose this one, for example. This, and this one, for instance. And now we want to keep those selections. And let's click OK. And now we got those results. Here we have continuations and horizontal cut. Let's go back. Let's clear selections. Or we can choose, for example, this one and this one. Now we've got this. And now let's go back to edit. So here for surface split options, we can use neutral, or we can use linear, or we can use combination, neutral and split, and linear and split. Or when we have neutral and splits together, we have more surfaces than we can choose for keep or to remove. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.